Welcome to this DIY video of how to reset your oil filter light in your 2012 Acura TL. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I just finished my oil change, so I'm just going to go ahead and reset my oil light. You want to go ahead and get in your car. For your start button, get it into the second position, so 1, 2. Now you're going to go down here onto your controls on your steering wheel, hit the reset button, and switch it over to until the oil filter light illuminates. Mine says 100% right now because I just reset it. Now press and hold the reset button right here for 10 seconds and then it'll flash. Okay, now you're going to hit your toggle key right here with the arrow up, push it up, hit the reset button, and there it is. Switches it to 100% right there. This is going to be your toggle up, and this is the reset button. Quick and easy, a DIY to reset your oil filter light indicator. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.